Eric, when you sit down to write a piece, what do you start with? Do you start with text? Do you start with a harmonic idea, a melody? Like, what's your process?
So if I'm setting choral music, then it's almost always I start with the text. For me, the text is the alpha and the omega. It's the whole thing. I only say most of the time because sometimes these days I'm working with Tony, Anthony Silvestri, or I'm writing my own poetry. And then it's kind of a push-pull where it's happening almost like songwriting, a little bit of the word, a little music. But if I'm setting, let's say E. E. Cummings, who I think is probably my favorite non-living poet, for me then I search and search and search and wait for a poem that is what I always think of as pregnant with music. It's full of music, like a ripe pomegranate. And then my job is just to quiet myself enough to memorize it, internalize it, and then just do what the poem is saying to do. Literally, that's it.